for any gamers out there, maybe you want to start a new live streaming channel on Twitch or YouTube, 100% recommend Starship Computers. Go check them out. Hi, I'm Ramaz Ali. I am a part-time streamer and this is my new studio. I started streaming back in 2020. I used to stream mobile games like Call of Duty Mobile, and then I wanted to move over to PC gaming, and I contacted Starship Computers. Tawqir built me a PC that was well above my expectation, from the processing power to the GPU and even the RGB. It looked amazing. I used that PC for 2.5 years with no hitch. To be honest, I didn't even open the PC screen or case. It was just as is, never bothered me at all. When I moved into my new studio and I started playing games like Arc Raiders or BO7, I ran into the issue of graphic quality and then frames not being as high as I wanted them to be. So I contacted Starship Computers and Tawqir again, and I told them the issues that I was having. He guided me through the parts that I could potentially need and how I could improve the existing parts that I had. And I must say they have delivered again with the PC and the parts and everything, as well as the pricing. To be honest, I have done my research in the market and I ran into some pricing and budgeting issues, but with Starship and Tawqir helping me out, they built me a PC that was within my budget and is going to perform amazing for when I stream and play games. So for any gamers out there, maybe you want to start a new live streaming channel on Twitch or YouTube, 100% recommend Starship Computers. Go check them out.